This video will show you how to access the Westminster Online Directory via Wildcat Web's parent portal and provide a brief tour of the search and browse options available. Once you have logged into Wildcat Web, you will be presented the parent portal landing page. We can quickly access the Westminster Online Directory by turning our attention to the navigation bar along the top of the screen. Towards the right side of this navigation bar, I'll see an item titled Directories. If we click on this item, we are then transported to the Westminster Online Directory. The first directory page represented is the Student Directory. The top portion of this page allows you to quickly search for any student based on their name. There are also some directory categories to aid when browsing or searching for a particular Wildcat. As you can see from the list presented, students are broken out based on division, lower, middle, and upper. The All Students directory category allows us to see a listing of all current Westminster students. If we scroll to the bottom of this page, you can see we have a couple of additional directory categories to aid us in browsing. We can see students listed by grade level or listed by gender. Of note, the Students by Gender category also breaks out students per their grade level. Our next stop on our tour of the Westminster Online Directory is to look at the Households view. We can navigate to the Households view by using the Households button located at the top of the directory browser. I'll click this button, and now I'm presented the Household Directory landing page. And just as we had seen before on the Student Directory, we have the ability to search for a household based on name. Turning our focus to our directory browsing options, we can see a listing of all current and active student households. We also have the ability to see a listing of student households within a 10-mile radius to our recorded home address. Additionally, we have the ability to view households listed by grade level. Our next stop is to view our Faculty and Staff Directory. The Faculty and Staff Directory landing page offers the ability to search for a faculty and staff member based on their name. Faculty and staff are also broken down in directory categories that can be browsed based on division or main department. Let's take a deeper look at the directory categories. If I click on All Faculty and Staff, as you might expect, I'm presented a listing of all Westminster faculty and staff. When viewing any of the directory category listings as we are now, the top right portion of the page will contain a Download Directory PDF link. When you click this link, the system will compile and download a PDF of this specific category listing to your computer. The Download to PDF option is great should you need offline access to a specific directory, and it also allows you to print a physical copy should that be your preference. Please note that downloaded copies will not maintain the dynamic nature of the online directory. As a Westminster parent, you also have the ability to view directories based on the classes your child is enrolled in. From the main parent portal landing page, navigate to the section labeled My Children and click on the Classes and Reports button underneath the child whose schedule you'd like to view. Once you're viewing the schedule, you'll see that each class has independent links labeled Website, Calendar, and Directory. If we click on the directory link, we are then presented a list of that specific class's directory. You also have the capability to download a PDF version of this presented directory for easy offline access. We hope you have found this quick tour of Westminster's online directory to be helpful. Should you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to Westminster IT Services at help@westminster.net. Thank you, Wildcats!